So here we are now gonna see basically the transportation station in plant. So as we know the plant need obviously the carbon dioxide for this photosynthesis. At the same time it releases oxygens and vapors during the time of photosynthesis and need chlorophyll, the organ that enably basically in the leaves that help in the photosynthesis. Now other than this they also need some time of raw materials, and they get from soil. Soil is the nearest and richest source of raw material like nitrogen, phosphorus, other mineral. Other mineral. Obviously, these minerals are required for making the for the conversion of for the growth of the plant. At the same time, it helps in the photosynthesis. And obviously, these are absorbed. As we know, they are present in the soil, so they are absorbed by roots. Soil containing organ, basically the organ that is the near to soil, and chlorophyll containing organ. If distance are small, the energy and raw material easily diffuse to all parts of body. Obviously, as the soil containing organ and the chlorophyll organ, if the distance between them is small, the energy and the raw material easily can diffuse to all the part of the body, as we have already. But if this distance is large, as change in body design, as we see the large tree, that we can say that there is a difference between the soil and the soil containing basically organ and the chlorophyll containing organs are very large. So basically diffusion will not sufficient to provide raw materials in leaves and energy in roots. Obviously, the distance will be too less than diffusion. Simple process will allow the raw materials to go to the leaves and energy in the roots. A proper transport system does require proper system does require as max part plant are dead require low energy show slow transport. So obviously slow transport can be work as the maximum part of the plant are dead, and so that is why the slow transport can always obviously make the easily the demands of the plant required. So basically, as we know, the energy it is stored in leaves and raw material from road have to be transported. So pathways are constructed as independently organized conducting tubes. And what are these pathways that we need? Basically the xylem, water and mineral from soil and phloem transport product photosynthesis from leaves where they are synthesized and transport to the part of leaves. Basically, xylem moves water and from the soil and transport the product of photosynthesis from leaves, where there is synthesized the other part of the plants. And pathways are conducted independently. Obviously, like we know that that is the energy stored in the leaves and the raw material from the soil. They are transported to different parts of the leaves. So basically, paths are constructed as independently organized conducting tubes. Xylem basically move water and minerals from the soil, and phloem transport basically the product of the photosynthesis, where they are synthesized and transported to the different parts of the leaf, parts of the plant. So